morning, guys. Spring is coming along quickly, and so we are going to get to work. One of the things that I need to do on the homestead is plant a lot more grass seed. So I'm going to be going around planting some grass seed, but I thought at first I'd show you some wonderful things that are coming up on the property that we've planted already. Here we have some beautiful tulips coming up. Our roses are coming. I need to feed and water this garden really good, but I thought I'd show you. Look at that. Isn't that gorgeous? Gorgeous tulip. So I need to water these greens. We've got mullein volunteering in here. Beautiful mullein. Look at these tulips though. Aren't those great? And the mullein looks just beautiful. Yes, it is a wild plant, but it just looks gorgeous in this bed. The outlet rose is starting to show its get out of the garden bed. Gotta teach these guys, man. And some of the asparagus that I thought was gone is starting to come up. Asparagus there, and not asparagus. So artichoke is starting to come up. I have 3 plants coming up. This one's getting nice and big. I fed some of these. Some beautiful, look at the color of that tulip. Oh my goodness, that's gorgeous. I need to water this whole bed really good today. And oh wow. I just love that color of that tulip right there. Isn't it gorgeous? Look at that. Wow. Thank you, Lord. And then, of course, we planted right at the last minute, right before the last frost, or hard frost probably, is these, oh no, it looks like something's been eating on this, probably a rabbit. Lilies, and they're starting to come up now. So excited about having some lilies coming up all over the property. This hydrangea is coming up. Need to get some of the spiders are kind of clean that up a little bit. Yeah, it's starting to come up. That's exciting. And we do have grasses. You can see little patches of green coming up, but we need a lot more. And so I'm going to be out here spreading as much grass as I can. Hopefully choking out some of this. Oh, my dogs have ran off. Hopefully choking out some of this, the weeds. The grasses we don't want. The crabgrass, which is more likely going to choke out the other, but we're going to get some more grass going. So I better get to work, right? Yay, spring. Just so happy for spring. I'm so excited about this spring. The grass is coming up slowly, but we do have a lot of rocks to deal with, and I should rake these out of here, but it's just such hard work to do that. So I want to put more grass seed down in the front here, just all around this area. And then here's, well, we got one bud on here. Maybe next year we'll do a little better. This is our magnolia bush tree, whatever you want to call it, that we almost lost last year because it was ran over by the truck that was providing cement for that building right there. And so it is coming back. So exciting. So we have one little flower on there. Looks like we have a couple more buds coming. So I think it's going to survive. We just got to baby that thing. And then here's our fruit trees. And look at this, guys. So exciting. Look at that beautiful peach tree. Look at the buds on that thing. Isn't that gorgeous? it's just so beautiful to have these flowering trees out here. I need to spray these one last time before the summer, before, well, spring actually really hits. Just absolutely gorgeous. I just fed these a week and a half ago. And here's our other little peach tree. Isn't that gorgeous? Starting to get some leaves on it already. And then our apple trees are behind. I gave these a really hard pruning. I need to get some of these tags off, but we are getting some buds on the apple trees, which, you know, apples are a little slower on this, and that's okay. That is okay. So here's some buds again on this apple tree. This is a gala apple tree. And then over here, this apple tree was cut back aggressively and got some buds coming up on there. So